Hiya.
Today is big preparation day. We are fresh off the night train from Sapa. We've had no sleep, we're absolutely exhausted, but we have got a lot to prepare for and we can't waste another moment. Well, actually, biggest news, if you watched our last video, you would know that we've bought our motorbikes. So we've finally bought our motorbikes. We're ready to go in that sense, but we've obviously got so much more that we need to do. So first on the list today is what Jason's actually just purchased.
In this little green bag, it is
Yay!
Vietnam flag.
Vietnam.
Either to be worn as like a cape or to put on the backpack to make it look nice, and so people know we love Vietnam and to go easy on us when they're overtaking us.
Yeah.
That was 150,000, so I think that's about £4.50 or about $6 if you're American.
But that purchase means that item number 1 has been ticked off.
Some of them are boring though, like bandages.
Yeah, won't show that. Item number 2, what is it?
Bandages.
Okay, we're having a look in here for some rain ponchos. Obviously rainy season in Vietnam, so we need some rain ponchos that cover ourselves and the bike for all those inevitable times that we're going to get caught in the rain. Oh wow!
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! They're like a tent.
Don't get too excited, he's looking at us.
Oh, sorry. Oh yeah, kind of.
Oh, yeah, they're pretty average.
Wonder how much they are.
How much are these?
250.
250, what, for one or two?
500. This one wood. Both.
Egg.
This one is cheaper.
Yeah,
Yeah.
250, that's...
£15 for 2.
I'd say 300 for two, or 250.
£1.50.
They want more colours. I don't think the colours change in our mind. I don't know. It's a hard one, isn't it, when they start the price?
200, I would
This
say.
one's the same. I have.
Yeah, I know, it's just expensive. Is it
Cheaper.
cheaper? Yeah. What would you say, 200?
200 for 2, I would say.
So 100 each.
Yeah, £3 each.
Would you do 200 for two?
200 for 2.
Yeah. No?
What's cheapest price for 2?
450.
£4.50, that's so expensive.
It's okay. We'll
Yeah.
Sorry,
No,
thank you. Come on. At least we've got our starting price.
£15 for 2? I mean, bless him, he got his out of his motorbike to show us.
Yeah.
I think that's so expensive.
It is, but we also don't know how much they are.
No, that's the first price we've got.
So if he's let us walk away, I don't think they might not be far off that price for him to let us walk away. All right, so still on the hunt for rain ponchos. Did just go and ask a guy. He doesn't sell them, but he's pointed us in the right direction. But we did ask him, how much would you pay for it yourself? And he said around 200 to 250. At least now we sort of know how much to pay, how much a Vietnamese man would pay for it. So
Just stumbled across them on this little stall, and they're charging 250,000 dong for 2, which is so much cheaper. It's half price.
it's like 125, isn't it?
Yeah, half
Sorry.
of what they were. So I'm gonna go for black. It's time to get the number 1 item that's going to keep us safe. I think we found the best place for it. This is the shop that we've come to. There are so many helmets, all different colours, sizes, styles. Like, look at these ones. Jason won't mind me saying this, but he has a slightly bigger head than the average human head.
And the average bear.
So sometimes struggles to find a helmet that fits him. But hopefully we'll be right in here. They've got loads of sizes. That one looks so cool. That looks really, really cool. I love it. I love the colour. And it means that I won't lose you easily. It's really cool. It suits you. You've got a little...
What did you call it?
Visa.
A visa.
So cool.
See, I would have gone for that one if my head could get in it.
I would have gone for orange if I had an orange one. So we're going to just swap.
How much is that one?
I love it.
This one is 1,100,000.
Expensive. What do you think?
I like it.
He's probably you filming. Found the one.
I think I found one, the one that fits. No, mine's cool, I like it.
Is this yours?
This is mine, yeah, this one. Mine is 600,000.
Why is mine double the price?
Maybe it's a better brand? I don't know. He's kindly given us a bottle of Quang Han natural mineral water. So I think it's like sparkling water from Vietnam. Very nice of him. You'll be able to see we're going down to Ho Chi Minh.
Oh, okay, I send for you some plate. You can go. You can see. I want to send for you some plate in Vietnam.
Yes, yeah.
So here, in Hanoi here,
Yeah.
Ninh Bình here.
Yeah.
100 kilometers.
Good luck, thank you. Alright, done. We have
Helmet secured.
helmet secured, head secured, brain secured. Now we need to go buy a phone holder.
Yeah.
And I think that's pretty much it, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so. Well,
We paid 1,700,000
yeah.
for the helmets.
Only because apparently I've got an expensive shaped head.
Expensive shaped eyes.
uh,
Expensive taste.
no, it just so happened that the helmet that fit me the best was $1 million.
Yeah.
But also it was British made and British designed. Do you think that had anything to do with it?
Maybe. Because it was like double the price of all the other ones in there. Alright, we've come to the indoor market to try and get Erin a phone case. A motorbike phone holder.
For motorbike. How does that attach on?
Does it screw in?
110.
110, which is
£3.30.
£3.30 with a little umbrella. Yeah.
Yes, that's true, yeah.
110,000.
I'm happy with that.
Yeah.
We've done it. We've ticked everything off the list. We are fully prepared to start our biking journey. Got my motorbike holder and a cool little parasol for it. And it was $110,000, which I think is pretty good. Everything else we've got: motorbike helmet, phone holder, ponchos, first aid kit. This is probably the most prepared we've ever been for anything on this whole trip. So, feeling pretty proud. And we've still got one whole day left in Hanoi just to enjoy it and relax, which is amazing.
Yeah, I'm not doing anything tomorrow.
No. But yeah, so the next vlog will be us on our day one biking to Ninh Bình.
Yeah.
How does that make you feel?
Happy.
Aww.
Send on that, shall we? I need to get something put on the back of here to hold my bag. Erin's is fine, but I've been driving around for about 10 minutes trying to find somewhere, and this man's going to kindly help me put it on. Oh, it just fell over. I think it's going to cost about 200,000. Erin's had her nails done. This is the finished product of. That is it there. That's the finished product. That cost 200,000. So, and he's drilled into the bike because I just wanted it done. It might impact the price at the end of selling it, but it's on. That's all that matters. It's good. Done.
We're ready.
We're ready.
Not mentally.
Not mentally.
We're ready.
So a very quick roundup. The total cost of everything, bikes, ponchos, helmets, everything you've just seen is £839, which is around $1,070
For both of us.
for both of us. Everything that we've got and bought, bikes included.
Trying to get my nails
Yeah, that's not included in the price. Let's go!